Welcome back to the channel. My name is Skeem, and for those of you new to my channel, this is my E92 335i. Now, as you can tell from the title, I just got myself some new wheels, and I'm a little bit excited, so I wanted to try them on. It is a little bit cold outside. It just snowed this morning. I don't know if you can tell by the car. It's still a little wet. Snow's still melting off of it, but I wanted to put them on, drive them around, see if everything fit and worked right before I go make it to a track day or an autocross event, and it rubs on everything. All right, so this is the new wheels I got for the car. I've kind of already tried one of them on the car, the front one anyway. So I didn't want to run into the problem of the last time where it didn't fit on the car or fit on the front like the last set of wheels I got. But, so these ones, here, I guess I ought to show you what they look like. So I like these a lot better than the OEM ones. I will probably end up getting a second set later. Now I'm running, these are my track tires, as you can tell by the tread. These are 265s in the rear. The front has 245s. Now with the 245 on an 8-inch wheel, it does seem to be slightly pinched, but the tire manufacturer said that it'll run on an 8-inch wheel no problem. So I'm gonna run on an 8-inch wheel. But if I do end up getting a second set, I'm probably gonna get an 8.5-inch wheel to put on the front just because I think it would look a little bit better. So let's go ahead and put these on the car, see what they look like. Now these new wheels I got, they came with hardware, but they're chrome, the wheels are black. I think the wheels would look better with black lug nuts or lug bolts, whatever you want to call them. These are the OE ones, which I think look better than these. These ones look like they have little numbers and engraving on the end. It kind of looks like hardware you'd get at a hardware store, which doesn't look near as nice as these, so I'm just gonna go with the original ones that came off of the vehicle. They're the same length, same size, and the cone shape looks to be exactly the same. They look like they fit exactly the same on the wheels. So I'm gonna go with the original ones. Man, that's looking way better than the stock one. Now if we come down here and look, I put a light behind there, but there's actually plenty of room between the caliper and the barrel on this wheel, unlike the last wheel where, you know, it hit on there. And I already got wheel weights on here. So these ones look like they fit. And let's climb underneath here. They actually got a better profile too. They're a lot more flush with the side of the vehicle, which I do like. I figured I'd give you guys a little bit of a size comparison if you guys were interested. I don't know how well you can tell on the camera, but this is a 225 and then this is a 245. So you can see it is a bit wider, and I do have a little bit more rubber on the ground compared to these. So I heard some noise back here, came to check it out, and there's a moose sleeping in my truck right now. All right, so I got the new wheels on. They look great. Now I'm about to go for my first test drive. I wanted to show you guys, or see if you can hear it, how sticky these tires are. I can hear everything sticking to them off of the side by the sound. All right, so I went for a little bit of a drive. I didn't notice any rubbing or anything, so they seem to fit all right, but I do love the look of them. Like, look at those. Those are sexy. And I also like the fitment a little bit better. They're a lot more flush with the wheel wells. So I will have to play around with the tire pressures on them once I actually go to track day or anything like that. If we do look at them, I do have a little bit of tire not rubbing on the street there on both of them. I'll probably have to lower them down. But so far I'm pretty happy once I get, you know, a few miles on them and take them for a track day. I do plan to go on a track day. When is the next one? February 6th, I believe. I'm going to Thunder Hill East. And that'll be the first time I actually get to test these tires out. But for now, I'm just going to enjoy the look of them. And I'm probably going to end up getting another set of these one day. But for now, thank you guys. If you like what you saw, smash that thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way the next time I post a video on my car, you guys will be the first to know. Also, I'll leave a link down below to my Snapchat. Or not my Snapchat, my Instagram. Maybe I'll have to get a Snapchat one of these days. But thank you guys. I'll see you next video.